So my commitment to you is that the content is going to be both relevant and actionable, that you can put into practice the suggestions, the tips straight away. But what I would like also in return is that you're open-minded enough and that you're committed to staying the whole course. You see, some of the ideas, some of the tips, some of the suggestions may challenge you, but that you're prepared to still give it a try. See, that would give me so much satisfaction, honestly speaking. If you could give this course a 5-star rating, that would just be the icing on the cake, because it will mean that other students like yourself could easily find this course because it will rank higher, and that way they can benefit from the same information as you will. But it's up to you, it's your prerogative. But just saying, that will be the icing on the cake. Anyway, let us commence with the self-diagnostic test.